Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game. Not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now check and launch the game. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network and click on settings and click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game and then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to delete game's save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings and tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes again to check for the error. If the issue continues, then it's suggested to contact support team. So for that, when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.